Welcome to Wealth Unlocked. Your money is losing value every single day, and most people don't even realize it. High inflation, high interest rates, rising costs. If you're just saving the old way, you're not building wealth. You're slowly falling behind. But the good news is, there's a simple plan to fight back. And today, I'll show you exactly how to protect your money and grow it in 2025, step by step. Inflation is like a silent tax. Even if prices don't look like they're skyrocketing, your money buys less every month. Central banks raised rates aggressively over the past 2 years, which means credit is expensive, mortgages are painful, and yet, savings accounts in traditional banks still pay almost nothing. Example, if inflation is 4% and your bank pays 1%, you're actually losing 3% of your money's value each year. Before anything else, you need cash you can access anytime. That's your emergency fund. But let's be real, most people live paycheck to paycheck. They don't even know how to save in the first place. So the very first step, before you even think about investing, is to learn how to save money consistently. How do you do that? Start with a budget, write it on paper, use a spreadsheet, or track it in an app. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. You'll start to see where you can cut back and free up cash. Then, every time your paycheck hits, commit to setting aside a percentage right away. 10, 15, maybe 20, or even 30% if you can. Automate this so the money moves directly into savings. From that moment on, treat the leftover as your real salary. That's what you use for bills, food, lifestyle, everything else. And once you've built that habit, place your emergency fund in smarter cash vehicles, high-yield savings accounts, money market funds, or even short-term T-bills. This isn't T about making you rich. It's S about protecting you from life. S curveballs. Credit cards charging 20% plus, personal loans at double-digit rates. These are wealth killers. Paying them off is like getting a guaranteed return on your money. If you can refinance, do it. If not, focus on knocking those balances down before thinking about risky investments. Most people wait for the perfect moment to invest, but the truth is, there isn't one. The key is consistency. Your core portfolio in 2025 should be global index ETFs like VT, VWRL, IWDA, simple diversified exposure, bond ETFs, BNDX, AGG, stability and balance. Optional, inflation-protected assets like TIPS or equivalents. Automate monthly contributions. Dollar cost averaging reduces stress and builds wealth long-term. To beat inflation long-term, you need some exposure to growth. Allocate a small slice, 5–10%, to higher growth assets. Tech or thematic ETFs, emerging markets, or even crypto ETFs if you understand the risks. This way, your portfolio has a stable base and some upside potential. So here's the simple plan to fight inflation and build wealth in 2025. 5. Learn to save with discipline and build a strong emergency fund. Eliminate expensive debt. Invest consistently in global ETFs and bonds. Add a small growth slice for upside. That's it. Simple, clear, and powerful. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Wealth Unlocked. I post weekly content on money, personal finance, and investing, always with simple strategies you can actually use. And tell me in the comments, what's your biggest challenge right now? Saving, debt, or investing? I'd love to know.